Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode on Instagram after update. This is very simple. You have to just follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you need to go to your Play Store and you have to search for Instagram and make sure your Instagram application is up to date. You can see that my one is not updated, so I need to update my Instagram application. Okay, I have updated my Instagram application. After that, you have to go into the Instagram application. Okay, this is the home interface. Then go to your profile section from the bottom options. Now click the three-line button from the top right corner, then click on the settings and privacy option from the first place. Now you have to scroll down to the bottom until you find the option accessibility. Here it is, you can see it's under the section of your app and media. Click on it. Now there are two options, one is captions and the second one is our desired button, which is dark mode. Click on dark mode and make sure it is checked on the on mark, and here it is, the TikTok has been turned into dark mode. So this is how easily you can do it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.